Airtel, we're a Dublin-based company and we focus on air-ground data link communications. So Airtel, we are a Cesar founding member and we've been working with Cesar for the last 7 to 10 years, and at the moment we're working on the two projects, the FCDI and the ATC TVO. So FCDI is the Future Communications Data Link Infrastructure, and TVO is looking at how to use the EPP data for trajectory-based operations. Recently we celebrated a big success, so we have now reached 10,000 airborne routers, so that's a great achievement. So that means most of the aircraft flying in Europe are equipped with Airtel technology. So we see a bright future for Airtel. We're involved in several projects, and we see being a key player for data link in Europe, being part of the data link service provider, and also providing the ADSC common services and local services for the whole of Europe.